this house requires renovation, but very light renovation. We're just gonna change out these custom cabinet pulls to make them match these so that the house can be neutral, and if a buyer comes or a potential buyer, they won't feel a way about like minor details, which might discourage them from buying the home. I loosened it up with pliers already, but just remove this little nut here. And the pull should come off. There we go. And then we put on the new cabinet pulls we have over here. So the new cabinet knob comes like this, and there's a screw that comes with it. The screw is screwed inside of the cabinet knob. So you take it apart. I'll show you. You take it apart, put the screw inside or through the inside, so it's facing like this, and you basically screw the new knob on.